is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Memorial Day arrangement. You're going to need red, white, and blue carnations, the gold streamers, and red, white, and blue pom-poms. On to the video. The first thing you're going to do is put the carnations in first. You're going to have it like that. Now we're going to do the pom-poms, and we're going to go all the way around with them. Just do a layer all the way around, like so, spacing them out, so they go all the way around. If you have to adjust them later on, you can. Right now I'm just putting them in. If we want to get one more in, we can. Get one more in. Here. There we go. Got one more in. So we got those in. Now it's time to put in the gold streamers. Just put it in like that on the side. Put this one in the top, and we're going to fan it out a little bit, like so. I'll bring you around for the final view. This is what it looks like when it's done. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Our social media links are in the description. Thank you for watching and have a good day.